think this is it. This is Talkback and You're Dead. Grand nationwide opening August 20 from Viva Films and Skylight Films. Huwag natin patagalin because medyo limited time tayo this morning, but we are so happy. The four major cast of Talkback and You're Dead are here. Starting off with the beautiful Miss Yassi Pressman.
Yeah.
Yassi, okay. Hi, good morning, baby. Can you, yan. A few words from, Pati ka muna, be?
Hello? 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 It's working now. Hello? Hi guys, good morning. Thanks for coming and enjoy.
Alright, and of course, we're so proud of his Star Magic family, and ABS even so proud of him. Mr. Joseph Marco.
Good afternoon, back.
Good
morning. Good morning, and thank you for being here. So, let's have fun.
Hindi na nila alam ang oras kaka-promote din. They're the busiest. And of course, the hotness. Mr. James Reid! Ay, nalagay na talaga. James, please greet our vlogger friends.
Good morning, thank you for coming.
Okay. Thanks, James. And of course, the lead actress of Talkback and You're Dead, Miss Nadine Lustre.
Hi, good morning po. Salamat po sa pagpunta niyo.
Okay, so sit down, guys, please. But before the question and answer, we'd like to acknowledge for your questions. I'd like to acknowledge from Star Cinema, Mr. Miko Del Rosario. If you have questions about anything about production and the story and the cast and everything, Miko can help us with that. But ayun niya daw umupo, so dito lang siya sa tabi ko. But for that, we'd like to show you the updated cinema, the full trailer and the making of Talkback and You're Dead. Please watch this.
Nakakaalam kung nasaan? Samantha Perez. Ngayon wala makakapagturo sa amin.
Timothy Odell Pendleton,
You want to fight for here? Iniiwasan mo ba ako?
a.k.a. Top.
Ng girlfriend ko.
Girlfriend? Who? I am dead.
Samantha Perez, a.k.a. Sam.
Sandali na lang, dadating si
Hindi dadating yun.
Alam mo, Piggy, pipito na talaga ako sa'yo, ah.
Okay ka lang.
Bakit kasi ginagawa niyo dito?
Obvious ba? We're saving you.
Jared De La Cruz, a.k.a. Red.
Hindi ka. Sa buong araw yan, huwag muna natin isipin si Taps.
Yung babae na nadala mo dito.
May mga special na tao lang ang dinadala ko dito. I want you to know me better, Samantha.
Silang tatlo,
Ano sige?
mai-involve sa isang astig na love story.
Saan lahat niyo? Kanina to?
May itong alpha pinabibigay ko sa inyo. Sino daw po siya? Kawit po siya ng lalaking nasa picture.
Nakakamatay sa kilig.
May pumuntahan tayo.
Saan?
We're going on our first official date.
Alam mo, tatawag na ako ng pulis. Kanina ka pa nakaw ng tingin eh.
Viva Films and Skylight Films proudly bring the best-selling book to the big screen.
Hindi siya mahirap mahalin. Can never be yours. Hindi kaya layuan ng kaibigan natin si Samantha. Si Samantha ang palalayuin natin kay Top. Hindi ba sa teleserye lang nangyayari yun?
Samantha, you have to fight for him.
Kung araw mo na itong kasama si Top, hindi mo na siya pwedeng makasama ulit. May not be a prince, but I can be your slave.
Joseph Marco,
Hindi ka masasaktan habang kasama mo. Ako magpoprotekta sa'yo.
Nadine Lustre,
Paano na ako uwi nito? Sana lang sapatos ko.
Wala problema.
James Reid,
One slap, one kiss. I like you.
Talkback and You're Dead.
You're dead!
August 20 in cinemas.
Mabuti pang tumigil ka na. Ikakasal ka sa iba.
I'm so dead.
Tastig siya kapag you wanna keep on pushing and pushing and mapaglaban niyo yung pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa.
Kaya siya nagiging astig because every love story is different. It's very unique. Tapos may kanya-kanyang flavor.
Astig yung theme, the plot, everything. The characters and the setting, that's what makes it astig.